Sawadee krap. Hello everyone. Welcome to Speak Thai with me, Paul. I am now filming my video at Panfa Lilat Bridge, which is only 150 meters away if you are staying at Ayaton Hotel in Bangkok. This historic bridge will be the starting point of the Grand Maha Songkran Parade in Bangkok. In this new exciting series of videos, you will explore different aspects of Thai culture, and in my previous video, you learned what are the traditional rituals of Songkran Festival and why do Thai people build sand pagodas in the temple during Songkran. In this video, you will learn what are the traditional activities of Songkran Festival. And if you want to know what is the secret beauty recipe of Songkran, continue to watch my video. Hey guys, I am back. Here are the traditional activities of Songkran Festival. First, splashing water. Sat Nam. Sat is to splash and Nam refers to water. So Sat Nam refers to the Thai tradition of splashing water on people during Songkran Festival. But why splash water? It is Thai belief that it will wash away all the bad luck in the old year to start a new year.
Oh.
At the same time, it is a shower of blessing to bless and to be blessed. In fact, splashing water is the trademark of Songkran. Songkran is not Songkran without splashing water. And what better way to start off the hot season on a New Year day with a big splash?
Yes.
And if you are in Thailand, don't miss the chance to splash water on people. At the same time, get splashed to cool yourself off in the midst of the hottest season. So get ready to splash and to be splashed.
Oh yeah.
Indeed, it will be an eye-opener for you to see even tourists using water guns. Phung chit nam, phung, which refers to gun, sounds like a gunshot. Phung chit is to spray, and nam refers to water. If you don't have a water gun, you can buy one from me at Khao San Road. As for local Thais, you will see them using water buckets. Thang Nam, where Thang sounds like Thong in Chinese dialects, and even water hose, all in the fun of playing water. Len Nam, where Len is to play. Next, applying white clay filler on the face. Tha bang, tha is to apply and bang refers to the white clay filler as a powder. But have you ever wondered what is the popular white face powder you see during Songkran, and where does it come from and why is it used? Yes, it is Din Saw Pong, a type of natural powder derived from the white Mauli limestone commonly found in Lopburi province.
Oh.
In fact, it originated from Din Saw Pong village, which has given its name to the white clay filler that is used so extensively in Thailand, especially during Songkran Festival. And if you have a chance, visit Din Saw Pong village, where you can still see how Din Saw Pong is made using simple methods. Din Saw Pong is now the trademark of Songkran Festival, as it is mixed with water to make a paste and gently applied onto the faces of participants during the festival.
Oh.
But do you know that the use of Din Saw Pong actually originated from the pencil chalks used by monks to mark blessings on the face, where Din Saw refers to pencil. It is Thai belief that it will ward off evil spirits and give protection to the wearer.
Wow!
This for you. Due to its cooling effects, Din Saw Pong is also known as the prickly heat powder. Bang Yen, Bang Yen, where Bang refers to powder and Yen is to be cool. That's why Din Saw Pong is also used as a cooling powder, especially during the hotter seasons of Songkran.
Oh, yes.
And if someone approaches you to apply, just stick out your head so that it can be applied without entering your eyes or mouth. It is best to be left on as a mark of blessing until it washes off, and also as an act of respect to the one who applied on your face. Besides Songkran Festival, Din Saw Pong is also used on special occasions such as wedding ceremony, paying respects to elders, and even blessing for new vehicles. And do you know it is a Thai custom to mix Din Saw Pong with water and apply it around the navel of a newborn baby.
Oh.
It is also used for health and beauty. In the past, Thai people mixed Din Saw Pong with water to treat skin problems such as rashes, acne, and even blisters. That's why it is called Din Saw Pong, where Pong refers to blister. It is claimed to work on sensitive skin and freckles, and it is said to be suitable as a face powder than any other kinds. To treat acne, you can mix Din Saw Pong with honey and lime and apply on the face for a while before rinsing. This traditional face mask is believed to reduce excessive oil, which is the cause of acne. So here is the Din Saw Pong secret beauty recipe of Songkran that you might want to try it out. Ingredients: 25 to 30 pieces of mini Din Saw Pong, quarter cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of lime. Use 2 teaspoons of lime for oily skin. Directions: grind the mini Din Saw Pong and mix the ingredients together. Apply on the face and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and wash the skin again with cold water. Guess now you know why Din Saw Pong is so essential for Songkran. That is because it is Songkran hidden beauty secret.
Yes.
And talking about beauty, one traditional activity you must not miss is the Miss Songkran Beauty Contest. ประกวดเทพีสองครั้ง ประกวดเทพีสองครั้ง ประกวด refers to contest and เทพี refers to beauty goddess. So ประกวดเทพีสองครั้ง ประกวดเทพีสองครั้ง refers to the Miss Songkran Beauty Contest. And if you are in Bangkok, you must visit Santichai Prakan Park, where the Miss Songkran Beauty Contest is held. This contest will showcase Thailand's most beautiful women in traditional Thai costume. Winners of this contest will get a place in the parade. Kabwang Head, Kabwang Head.
ทางการ AI นะครับ
And talking about parade, another traditional activity you must not miss is the Grand Maha Songkran Parade. Kabwang Head, Maha Songkran, Kabwang Head, Maha Songkran, Kabwang Head refers to parade which you learned earlier, and Maha is to be great. You will get the chance to see the Thai beauty queen Antonia Posset, who is the first runner-up in the Miss Universe 2023. She will lead the parade as the Lady Songkran. Nan Songkran, Nan Songkran, where Nan refers to lady.
Two, two, hey, tick, one, two, 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 hey, hey, tick, tick, two, 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 hey, two, hey.
สุขสันต์วันสงกรานต์เฮ้สุขสันต์วันสงกรานต์สวัสดีครับ The parade is not just a march. It is a moving exhibition of Thailand's rich cultural heritage, showcasing unique Thai traditions from 16 provinces and featuring 20 grand processions involving more than 1,000 performers. The parade will start from Pan Pha Lilat Bridge, just opposite Ayaton Hotel in Bangkok, and march along Ratchadanam Klang Avenue to end at the Royal Field Satnam Luang, Satnam Luang, where Satnam refers to field and Luang is to be royal. It is here at the Royal Field Satnam Luang that you will see another traditional activity, and that is the grand religious procession of the Buddha statue Pra Buddha Sin Hin, brought out from the National Museum and escorted along the street for people to sprinkle water on. It is also here that you can watch cultural and musical performances, including the famous Khon mass dance drama and Nora dance drama, both recognized by UNESCO as World Cultural Heritage. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now you know what are the traditional activities during Songkran Festival and what is the secret beauty recipe of Songkran. But before I go, here is a homework for you. How do you tell someone in Thai, have fun playing water? Write your answer in the comments box below. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, click like on the link below. If you find my video meaningful, click share. Click subscribe if you wish to see more of my future videos. Thank you very much and see you in my next video. Bye bye. สวัสดีครับ